Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying out the new Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and I have this in the lightest shade Linen. This is 0.21 ounces, which is pretty standard for a concealer, but it does retail for $29, which is really pricey. This concealer is said to be water resistant and full coverage. It blends into a smooth satin and even finish, and this is supposed to be a long wearing formula. So this concealer comes in 16 shades, which I'm not really sure. I looked at the Ulta site and looked at all of their concealers, and a majority of the concealer shades are like 20 shades, some have 30, some have 2. Like, what demographic are you playing towards with 2? You can't really be making a lot of people happy. But so I guess 16 is about average. It does have a decent representation for light and dark shades, so hopefully you will be able to find your shade. So I'm just gonna dive in and see how this puppy works out. Ooh, it is very thick. It's like really hard to lay down, so it's probably gonna be hard to move. Holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender and blend this out. Yeah, this is a little bit difficult to move because it is so thick. It's like molasses. But it is brightening my under eye area. Alright, now I'm going to take my Mercier translucent loose setting powder and set my under eye. Alright, now I wipe off the excess and see what we've got. Wow, okay, this is very brightening. Does it claim to be brightening? No, it just says that it fully camouflages under eye dark circles, blemishes, and discoloration. Wow, it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel heavy. So all in all, so far, I like this. This is very pretty. My only complaint is that it was really thick, so it was a little hard to get on and move, but just make sure that you have a damp beauty blender or use your fingers, because then you can use a little more pressure, which is really something you don't want to be doing to your delicate eye area. But we put on makeup every day, which is probably not the best for our skin. Alright, I'm going to give this a couple hours of a wear test, and I will be back to let you know how it's looking. See you in a bit. Alright, I am back. It's only been about 2 to 3 hours and I am having a ton of creasing. So not a fan of this. It really sucks because I really liked how bright it was making my under eyes look. I don't know if you can tell, but there's definitely a lot of creasing. So this one might be a pass for me. I will try it again with other setting powders and see if it does any better, but I don't know, it's really creasing a lot. I think because it's too thick, it just settles in to your fine lines. So I'm sorry, I don't think that this video was very helpful because it's kind of still up in the air. But if you like how bright it could make your under eye, definitely try it out. And if you don't like it, you can return it. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.